If you're a pastel artist who's struggling to find your style, or you feel like you've hit a wall with your creativity, I have something that will change the way you paint forever. With Next Level Animals, you'll learn my revolutionary way to add creativity to animal paintings in pastel, and the results will be stunning. With my guidance, you'll be painting animals in a whole new way, and your creativity will be unleashed. Hi, my name is Marla Baggetta, and I'm a professional painter and painting teacher. As many of you know, I spend a lot of my time teaching pastel, drawing and sketching, oil, acrylic, and watercolors. During my decades working as an illustrator and professional artist, I painted all kinds of subject matter in many mediums and styles. I'm so excited to offer this new online course, Next Level Animals. In this new course, I'll teach you everything that you need to know to take your paintings of animals to the next level. It will unlock the possibilities for you and help you develop a strong, creative approach to animals, steeped in the fundamentals of drawing that are so important for artists at any level. You'll learn how to create stunning mixed media underpaintings, how to paint large, bold marks, unlock new palettes of harmonious colors, and explore your untapped potential for freedom. During this online workshop with over 8 hours of video and a 54-page illustrated study guide, we'll be painting 8 different next-level animals, creating lifelike works using techniques that will help you capture their essence and character. Pastels offer the best of both painting and drawing with their direct tactile feel and their luminous, pure pigments. We'll be taking advantage of these wonderful properties and injecting new papers, mixed media, and novel approaches into our work. I'll take you step by step and stroke by stroke for each lesson, so you'll see and hear exactly what I'm doing. You'll have a view of the painting and the references the whole time. You won't miss a thing. You'll be approved to join the Next Level Facebook group, where you'll find a friendly and inspirational community of artists who are also taking the course and helping you to stay motivated and inspired along the way. You'll have lifetime access to the videos. You can work at your own pace safely from the comfort of your own home, from any device, for a seamless and modern online experience. We pride ourselves in top quality video, instruction, and customer support. So if you're ready to take your painting to the next level, join me for Next Level Animals. I can't wait to see what you create.